of a circle subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. If the length of the chord is 100 centimeters, find the area of the major segment. Firstly, understand the difference between segment and a sector. Here, sector means it starts from center and goes to the circle, and segment means it's a chord and the area separated by the chord of the circle. These two are called as segments. This yellow one is called as minor segment, and this full white one is called as major segment, right? So understand the difference. So we have to find the area of the major segment, means this AB full on the other side. This is what we have to find. Okay. For that you will have to find first the area of the smaller segment ADB, and for finding ADB you will have to find the area of this sector ACB, D you can call it ACBD, and then find the area of the triangle ACB and then subtract it. Once you subtract the triangle from this sector ACB, you will get the area of this segment minor, and then you know the area of the circle, that also we will find out, and just subtract the area of minor segment from the major one. Minor segment from the circle, and you will get the area of the major segment. Okay, so let's start. See here what is given: AB equals to 100, this, and ACB equals to 60. That's what is given. So we draw CD perpendicular to AB. Now this is perpendicular from center to the chord, so it will always bisect the chord. That's why AD equals to DB, that is 50-50. Okay, now DCB equals to 30. Why? Because this perpendicular to the chord bisects the central angle also. Okay, so both are 30 now. Now you know one thing, in triangle, let's say DCB. Okay, in this triangle, what is this? Is 90D and C is 30. So you can find out sin cos tan of 30. Okay, so sin 30 is what? See here, BCD 30, BD 50. Sin 30 is what? DB upon CB. DB upon CB. Why did we take this DB upon CB? Because we want the radius CB. Okay, so 1 upon 2 equals to DB, we know 50, 50 upon CB. So CB equals to 100. So you got the radius now. Okay, now once you get the radius, find the area of the circle. So area of circle equals to pi r square, pi into 100 square. Okay, now area of triangle CDB, this half base height, right? So half into DB into CD. Okay, now what we need to find? CD. DB we know, but we know this angle is 30, C angle. So you can find out cos, and we also know CB. So cos 30 equals to CD upon CB, right? Therefore CD equals to what? CB into cos 30, but cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. So 100 into root 3 by 2, that is 50 root 3. Now you got what? CD. So CD you have now. Now you can find out the area of triangle CDB. Half into 50 root 3, right? Okay. So area of triangle ACB is what now? Area of triangle this ACB. This is double of this area of triangle ACB is what? Double of area of triangle CDB, right? So 2 into area of triangle CDB. This 2 gets cancelled. So what remains? 50 into 50 root 3. Okay. But root 3 equals to 1.732. You can take 1.73 also. So 50 into 50, 2500 into 1.73. Multiply this, 4330. How to multiply? Go for Vedic mathematics. I have separate videos for them. Go behind those videos, and you learn multiplication, division, square, square roots, cubes, everything easily. Okay, now area of sector ACB is what? ACB. This sector, you can call this ACBD, you can call this. This is the whole sector. This is what? This angle is 60 degrees. Full area is area of circle. So this area of this sector will be what? 1 upon 6. Why? 60 upon 360, right? That is 1 upon 6 into area of circle. So 1 upon 6 into this 100 square into pi. This is what we have found out earlier. Multiply this, you will get 10,000 pi upon 6. So pi you can take this 3.142 or 3.14 also. Multiply this, you will get this answer 31420 upon 6. Divided by 6, you will get 50 to 36.66 cm square. Now what is this? This is area of the sector. So now what all you have? You have the area of sector ACBD and area of triangle ACB also. We have found out earlier. So area of minor segment ADB will be what now? Minor segment, you can call this ADB instead of AB. So area of sector ACB minus area of triangle ACB. So 50 to 36.66 minus 4330. that is 906.67 square centimeter. This is the area of minor segment ADB. Okay, so area of major segment AB is, major segment AB means this AB and the major segment. So it is area of circle minus area of minor segment. So 31,420 minus 906.67. So 31,420 minus 906.67 equals to 30513 square centimeter. This is the required answer. See here, you won't get the exact answer as this in the exam. Suppose if in exam the pi value is different, 0.2, only 2 points are taken, after 0.2 digits are taken, then the values would be somewhere near. Take the nearest one and move ahead. Next, areas of two concentric circles are 962 centimeter square and 1386 centimeter square respectively. Then the width of the ring is, here, means what? Here, these are the two circles, C1